Hi everyone, Sunday 19th of Feb. This is the last one I'll do today. This is the CAC France 40. Um, Again, same thing. This is just a blank chart, just with mild support and resistance areas on it. This is just on an 8 hour. Obviously, just by glancing at it, still bullish. We're going to want to see some of these support and resistance areas break before we change direction on it. Let's just bring this down a bit. Chuck it on a 4 hour. It's broken all-time highs now as well, the CAC. So we are a bit blue sky above us. I've got some levels above which I'll show you on a day trading chart. So you can see here it broke through this support area, resistance area, topped out here. Didn't know obviously this was there at the time, but it's been using this now as support. Quite clean. That area is sort of 7125 to 7150 area-ish. It's now busted through this higher area and it's sort of left the 7250 area. And it is still bullish. Even failed to come back this little marker here, so that is pretty strong for me. But let's see if we can do something on a day trading scale. Right, so this is the chart I'm using. Let's check on a 4 hour. So we've got a clear up channel and it is laddering up the fibs quite nicely at the minute. So I've got a trend channel here, very similar to the FTSE chart actually. Only difference being is we've broken out the top side of it now. And we are using that as a springboard to go up. So I do still see higher on this, even though we've done the all-time highs. So let's just bring it down. So key level for me at the moment, 7305. So that's my 100 area. So that will be taken off of daily candle body highs from the previous all-time high. Major level above that, 7483. That's the 112 extension off of the candle body high on the daily pull. So a couple of things. One, we're above that. Two, we've broken back through the trend line. Three, we're now sat on the underside of a fib set for me. So I need to see this break if we're going to have a go at this area up here. 7373 is the entry to that. It did poke through last week. 7394 is the center, which I don't trade this much, but it does seem to use the 50% level quite a bit. You can see it here. Here it's done it here. And on lower time frames, it did muck around it here. Doesn't really do it on the other charts, so that's interesting. Sorry, where was I? Yeah, 394 in the center, 7415 completes that set. Going to need to see clean break, retest, and resumption job to get into this 7483 area. Going to want to see 7305 hold, 7237 below, which will correspond by the time it gets there with this trend line. That's where I'm going to see change of structure and I can sort of step out the bullish mode and put my bear hat on. But at the moment, still remains bullish for me, and I do see this getting taken to at least this 7415 area. Cheers.